Hello friends, we are going to start the vascular tissues. In last video, we shall discuss the tissue system. There are three types of the tissue systems: are epidermal tissue systems, ground tissue systems, and vascular tissue system. In this video, we shall discuss this ground tissue system. This tissue system, these tissues are formed after the formation of meristematic tissues, and these tissue systems like the epidermal cells is formed, and this epidermis is the outermost protective covering is formed in the plant body. And next type of the tissue system, it is a ground tissue systems and vascular tissue systems. The first we will discuss the ground tissue system. These ground tissue systems means these tissues, they are present in all the plant tissues exclusively, or it is a epidermal, and this vascular tissue is a ground tissues. These ground tissues, it is found in the simple permanent tissues. These ground tissues, it is a present in all the plant tissues, but excluding the epidermis and vascular tissues is not found these ground tissues, only they are found in the simple permanent tissues. These simple permanent tissues like the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, these three types of the simple permanent tissue, these are the ground tissues. Now the first one, this ground tissue, they are located, means this position of this ground tissue in plant body in the simple permanent tissue. The first one tissue is a parenchyma. This parenchyma means these ground tissues are present in these parenchyma tissues, and the location, it is found in the root and stem region. In the roots and stem, they are present, these tissues are present in cortex, pericycle, pith and medullary rays, in the region of these ground tissues. These ground tissues are present in this region. In the pericycle, cortex region, pith and medullary rays in the roots and stem region, these ground tissues are present. Also these ground tissues are present in the collenchyma and sclerenchyma region. And this collenchyma and sclerenchyma, the hypodermis region of this collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissues are present, and this is a particular location of the ground tissues. This is one of the type of the tissue system. The third type of the tissue system, it is a vascular tissue system. The vascular tissue system means the vascular bundles. It is found in the plants. Means the secondary growth takes place in the plants. The secondary growth means the vascular tissues are present, they are found in the plant body. Means these vascular tissues, they are present in the distinct patches of the complex tissues. This vascular tissue means these vascular tissues are the complex permanent tissues. Means that is the xylem and phloem, and they can form the vascular bundles. The vascular tissues of the xylem and phloem, this type of the vascular bundles, means these vascular bundles are seen in the roots, stem regions, and this type, there are different type of the vascular bundles. In the vascular tissues like the radial vascular bundles, conjoint vascular bundles and concentric type of the vascular bundle. These are the types of the vascular bundles. The vascular bundle is formed the xylem, phloem and cambium. These three tissues are formed inside the plant body, and there are different type of the vascular bundle or patches is seen in the roots and stem region. The first type, radial vascular bundles. These radial vascular bundles, the structure of these radial vascular bundles means the xylem and phloem arises as alternately the radial vascular bundle xylem and phloems are radially arranged, but these complex tissues, xylem and phloem, these complex tissues, they are present separately, or they are situated in the separately on the separate radius or bundles, and this type of the arrangement of the vascular bundle is called the radial vascular bundle. This radial vascular bundles, the xylem and phloem, they are present separately or alternately present this xylem and phloem radially arranged. This is the radial type of vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle. Means these patches of the xylem and phloems are arranged separately, and this type of the arrangement is called the radial vascular bundle. This is the one of the type of the vascular bundle. The next type of the vascular bundle is a conjoint vascular bundle. This conjoint vascular bundle, there are two types of the vascular bundles, like the collateral vascular bundles and bicollateral vascular bundles. These conjoint vascular bundles, there are two types of the vascular bundles, collateral and conjoint. These collateral vascular bundles means there are two types of the vascular bundles, conjoint collateral and open type of vascular bundles, and conjoint collateral closed type of the vascular bundles. There are two types of the vascular bundles in collateral system. There are conjoint collateral and open type of vascular bundle. In this conjoint collateral vascular bundle, the location of the xylem and phloems are present on the same radius, and xylem is present inwards and phloem present outward position. The vascular bundle is conjoint collateral and open ties. In this position of the vascular bundles, the xylem is inwards and phloems is outward position, and in between the xylem and phloem, the formation of cambium. This cambium is present in between the xylem and phloem. Cambium is found in dicot plants. In dicot plants, this type of the vascular bundle are seen, conjoint, collateral and open type of the vascular bundles. Means the arrangement of the xylem and phloems, in between the xylem and phloem cambium layer is found, and this arrangement of the vascular bundle is called the conjoint collateral and open types in the dicot plants. But in monocots is different, because in monocot plants this cambium layer is absent. This type of the vascular bundle is conjoint collateral and closed type of the vascular bundle. Means the xylem and phloem, these tissues, xylem is inward and phloem is outward, but in between the xylem and phloem tissues the cambium is absent. In monocot plants, and this type of arrangement of vascular bundle is a closed type. The conjoined, collateral and closed type vascular bundle is seen in the monocots plants, and conjoined, collateral, open type of the vascular bundle is seen in the dicot plants. Difference between these two system of vascular bundle is a closed and open, because this cambium is present in dicots and monocot cambium layer is absent. This is a second type of the vascular bundle, conjoined collateral vascular bundle. But in some plants, the bicollateral system, the bicollateral vascular bundle is seen. Means two layers of the xylems and phloem tissues are arises in these vascular bundles. The bicollateral vascular bundle, bicollateral vascular bundle. In these vascular bundles showing the xylem and phloem present in the two times in the arrangements of the xylem and phloems inward and outward. The inner phloem inner xylem, in between the xylem and phloem, the outer cambium, outer phloem and outer xylem these bicollateral vascular bundles showing this type of the arrangement of the vascular bundles means the innermost phloem, inner xylem, outer cambium, outer phloem and outer xylem. These collateral vascular bundles, the difference between these two systems of vascular bundle, these collateral vascular bundles means the type of vascular bundles, the xylem and phloems are present in the same radius, but in bicollateral vascular bundles, the phloems occur in two groups, and inside and the outside and xylem, and they are called the bicollateral vascular systems. And this arrangement of the sequence of this outer phloem, outer cambium, inner xylem and inner phloem, this is a bicollateral type of the vascular bundle. The third type of the vascular bundle is a concentric vascular bundle. These concentric vascular bundles, there are two types of the vascular bundles, heterocentric and liptocentric vascular bundle. These heterocentric and liptocentric vascular bundles. The heterocentric type of the vascular bundles, in this vascular bundle, heterocentric vascular bundle shows this, and the structure of this heterocentric, the xylem is a center and the xylem is surrounded by phloem. Xylem is a center, middle, and this xylem is surrounded, the other tissue means the phloem is surrounding to the xylem, and this type of the arrangement of the vascular bundle is called heterocentric vascular bundle. The phloem in heterocentric vascular bundles, the xylem is center and surrounding the phloem, this arrangement is called the heterocentric vascular bundle. The next type, liptocentric arrangement. The liptocentric arrangements when this phloem is a center in the liptocentric type of the vascular bundle. The liptocentric type of the vascular bundle, the phloem is a center, phloem is center and xylem is a surrounding for this phloem, and this arrangement is called the liptocentric type of the vascular bundle. Liptocentric type of the vascular bundle, when the phloem is a centric position and xylem is a surrounded by phloem, and this is a liptocentric type of the vascular bundle. And these concentric vascular bundles, it is always closed type. This concentric type of the vascular bundle, it is a closed type of the vascular bundles. These are the vascular tissues system, and this vascular tissue system involves the xylem and phloem, these important tissues, and they are arranged in the alternately or arranged in the same radius or arranged in the outer and inner surface. And this arrangement of this vascular bundle depending upon the types of these vascular bundles. Their first one type is a radial type of the vascular bundle. In these vascular bundles, these xylem and phloems, they are radially arranged. They are present in the separate groups separately in the radial vascular bundles. Second type, conjoint vascular bundles. In these vascular bundles, there are two types of the vascular bundles: conjoint collateral vascular bundles and bicollateral vascular bundles. In the conjoint vascular bundles, there are two types of the vascular bundles: conjoint collateral and open in dicots, and conjoint collateral closed type of the monocot plants. In these open types, this cambium is present in the conjoint collateral open type of the vascular bundles, and in monocot plants this vascular bundle is closed type because this cambium layer is absent. And third type of the this second type of the conjoint vascular bundle is a bicollateral vascular system. These vascular tissues are arranged inner and outer. Inner phloem, outer phloem, inner xylem, outer cambium, and this type of the arrangement is called the bicollateral type of the vascular bundles. And third type of the vascular bundle, it is concentric type of the vascular bundle. In this type of the vascular bundle, the xylem is surrounded by phloem and phloem is surrounded by the xylem. There are two types of the concentric vascular bundles, like the liptocentric and heterocentric type of the vascular bundle. In the heterocentric type of the vascular bundle, the xylem lies inward and phloem is outward. This surrounding the xylem to phloem in the heterocentric and liptocentric arrangement with the centric position of phloem and surrounding the xylem. These are the different type of the vascular bundles. Now in this video we shall discuss about this tissue system. There are three types of the tissue systems: epidermal tissue systems, ground tissue system and vascular tissue system.